So, like the Stasi.
Or you get a new name.
Fuck the Queen.
Prince Fluffer. What
No,
the fuck?
Prince's Fluffer. You have the
Have autism.
Okay, kick that guy again. It's a pretty good soundtrack for a 100 megabyte game.
Oh, I turned it off immediately. Is it good?
What
Yeah,
game's
it's not
that?
too bad.
What game's that?
You kill me, motherfucker.
How did you get your name back?
You can just log on with the VPN and do it again.
Oh, nice.
Did any of you fucknuts get that message on Facebook today?
You
Ah,
Well, Facebook's fucked anyway. They're dealing with the courts in the UK, I think tomorrow. But yeah, they released well, if you logged onto Facebook today, you'll get like a little message and say if you're one of the people that CA would like harvested information from.
No, I didn't get anything from me.
Well, you need to post harder.
Yeah, no. I don't put shit on Facebook.
Ah shit, you're like that unimportant that Facebook didn't even like scrape your information.
Yeah.
You poor bastard.
Yeah, no. I'm irrelevant. The last time I made a post on Facebook was August 2016.
I've actually bought up some Facebook stock while it's low because I'm trying to think of like if they do fail, like what would replace it? Like G plus is no one fucking uses G plus.
You're
Like
banned,
most-
fucking cocksucker guy.
Yeah, I guess it's getting late.
Jesus Christ.
Ban. Fucking autistic. Someone ban this guy.
The last time I made a post on Facebook was the 1st of March 2018.
It's still a very popular service though. Seems like people don't really give a shit about them harvesting information.
what the fuck is that? God damn.
Is that Corbin fucking a pig's head?
I think it is.
Can we ban him?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's using a VPN though, so it's not gonna work.
That motherfucker.
He's untouchable.
Yeah.
I actually kind of like him though. I think he's funny.
I heard that.
Well, I guess we're banning you too.
I think we should have an SFW channel.
Ooh.
That can be compulsive liars.
Do you realise what channel we're on?
Nerd.
Who is he?
Cocksucker.
Lost Lotus, yeah, cocksucker.
Oh. You're gay.
Yay.
Correct. You banned the wrong person.
That's the same guy.
I didn't.
Yeah, those pictures were fucking disgusting.
Let's ban everyone.
Do it, do it, do it. Hit the prune button.
Did find something interesting about Brexit, if any of you are interested. I've heard that Northern Ireland may have the same trade deals as Europe has at the moment, like they should be able to trade without any fees or anything like that. If that's the case, Northern Ireland may turn into a trade hub. I'll keep an eye on them. It might not end up anything, but I've been looking for like legislations and stuff and the things that the EU want to do. But they want the EU. The EU wants Northern Ireland to have free trade with EU. If that's the case, we might be able to like use that as a way to do trade. I don't know. Like I'm just mumbling here.
How would they do that though? Because Northern Ireland's still part of the UK.
That's what I'm on about. Yes, it would be part of the UK. Obviously, goods. The idea is like goods coming into Northern Ireland, we should be able to get them into like the UK without no problems at all. But selling goods from the UK into the EU is going to be a huge problem. But I've been looking into the laws and that. There's some really sketchy there's some loopholes. Technically, we could probably send goods to Northern Ireland. As long as Northern Ireland repackages the goods there and say that they were created there, we could sell that to the EU. That's how it stands at the moment. I'm not guaranteeing it's going to stay like that.
Northern Ireland's a shithole. It's like the purest.
Well, it's not sure. You know how like arms deals is. Let's say like the UK wants to sell arms to like a country we're not allowed to. So what we do is we sell it to like another country that's allowed to deal with us, but can also deal with the country that we want to arm. So we sell the goods to them. They repackage the bullets, the ammo, whatever, and then they sell it to them for us on our behalf, and we get around the loophole. Basically, it seems like this could be the case of what's going to happen with Northern Ireland with trade. We could sell through them as long as it gets repackaged in Northern Ireland.
Why them? Why not?
Or
something. Why is it?
Well, because Northern Ireland. Are you familiar with Ireland? Ireland's
Yeah,
like,
they
it's
got
kind
that
of.
deal with,
Well, yeah,
Ireland.
because Ireland is actually part of the EU. Ireland has nothing to do with the UK, but Northern Ireland is to do with the UK. So there's a small little part at the top, and the EU sort of saying that no, we want to be able to deal with those with free trade, all that, like the agreement that they've got already with the UK. They want that to stand after Brexit. So yeah, I'm not dealing with the whole of Ireland. I'm only dealing with like the top little bit.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying.
So I said,
Republic of Ireland. So how
Yeah.
this works? Because they can't. Why not Scotland? Why not anywhere else? Just Northern Ireland.
Well, because Ireland is not part of the UK. Northern Ireland is, but not the UK. Scotland is actually part of the UK.
So you're saying, so what you're saying, the Republic of Ireland still trades the EU? Is that where you're in the boat?
Yes, and
Oh. Yeah, they already do all the shit.
and they don't want a hard border. The EU is actually, the talks they're talking about is they're saying that like Northern Ireland, that's actually part of the UK, should have the same agreements that they've got right now. So, like I was sort of saying, like we might be able to do our trade deals through there, and we won't have to deal with like any legislations or. Is it? Look, I'm just talking out loud. Like I said, like this is like a loophole that me and a few people have found.
Yeah.
Because we basically do this anyway with like arm trades. So I said, like when we want to trade to a country that we're not legally allowed to, we just ship them over to like a country that we're allowed to, and let that country sell it to that country. But they just have to repackage the goods. So I'm just all saying, like, I mean, it's a really weird grey area. It's technically not legal, but it's technically not illegal. Hey, we've got still a few months until that even happens. So, hey, they might. I mean, if anyone spots that, they're gonna kill that straight away.
We're not leaving until 2020, are we?
Yeah, 2020. But at the moment, as it stands, if that does happen, we could actually use Northern Ireland as like a trade hub, and we could use that to get around loopholes in the law. Fuck it, I'll post a bit that we're on about. Okay, I found the information. I'm going to post it now. Apparently that was actually written in like the Article 50. But it's the thing about the whole trade goods. Apparently, they want to have free trade with Northern Ireland. Like I said, we could turn that into like a trade hub. Technically, we just got get all the goods going from now. We could just sell them. But like, if we want to sell stuff to the EU, we could sell them from there. But we would have to repackage them in because it's a weird like grey area with like a with the actual law.
I'm sure we get the Brexit shit up. But like, it's literally all that's on the news constantly. It's like it's never anything else. It's literally just that.
Well, it's Northern Ireland. It's a complete clusterfuck for Brexit. But if the EU wants, Northern Ireland to be still like have trade with the EU and not change, why shouldn't we take advantage of that and like, work some loopholes so we can use that as a trade hub?
Yeah.
I use the whole arms and guns thing because I can bring up examples of where America's actually used that, to be honest, where America couldn't sell guns to a certain country. So they sell them to like a different country that's allowed to sell to the country they're not allowed to. They repackage the bullets, the missiles, whatever you want to fucking call, and then they can sell them to them legally. It's a really weird grey area, and I think it would probably work with this weird fucking trade thing that the EU wants with, like ISIS.
Yeah.
No, so I'm going to talk with people about just to sort of see if this is even possible. I mean, there might be some weird fucking loophole where it doesn't allow us to do this, but as it stands at the moment, it should be possible. Like, if the Brexit thing goes through, well, of course it's going to go through, but if it goes through and like trade's absolute shit with the EU, we could probably just use Northern Ireland as like a trade hub. No, like an intermediate between the two parties.
It's a little more complex than I think. Stars.
Yeah, dude, I didn't want to bore you. I'm just like,
they'll just sell directly to the EU. I mean, they'll get trade deals with the EU.
Yeah, but what if they're complete garbage?
Anything that they sell to the EU, regardless of where it gets packaged, has to fall to EU standards, like safety standards, etc.
Well, to be honest, like, I don't think the UK standards on food or whatever you want to talk, I don't think they're going to change. I think they'll be identical to like the EU anyway. I think just because it's got like made in the UK is the only reason they won't accept it. So we take it to like Northern Ireland, they change that made from the UK, repackage it, made in Northern Ireland, still the standards exactly the same as like EU regulations, they can fucking sell it.
Why wouldn't they be able to sell it anyway?
Because we don't have a proper...
That's
what I'm saying, this is...
You just need to pay like, what's the EU tariffs at? You need to pay like an extra 10%.
It's pretty high, actually. I mean, most of the people are Yanks. Have you ever actually tried buying any goods from the EU and getting it traded in? Not traded, or tried shipping it to the US?
That's the US tariffs, so that won't be anything to do with the EU.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm guessing it's going to be very similar, right?
No, they're like no tariffs EU to the UK.
We've got none at the moment. I'm guessing I use the US example because I'm thinking once we leave, the actual tariffs will probably be similar to goods exported like the US. Could be completely wrong. Like I said, like it hasn't happened yet. Like I said, we'll few of us we're looking into this at the moment as like a loophole, as using Northern Ireland as like a trade hub to get around these tariffs. Yeah, I'm not trying to. Sorry, I'm boring the shit out of you, but
It's about 5%. Looks like, just for like food and shit. To import stuff from America.
like to be honest, it wouldn't be buying stuff really from the EU because we do buy stuff like that's not fucking like we do buy huge amount, but like our biggest export is arms. I mean, it wouldn't affect us anyway.
Financials and pharmaceuticals are close to that though.
Like I said, I just want to place bets that I can make money from it. So I'm looking at like the bigger picture.
Long Island.
I mean, but the thing is, it'd be kind of interesting because like America should be able to trade with like Northern Ireland as well. Because if we lack some of like our laws, doesn't really matter. Like you know, if your chicken is washed in chlorine, you could just use, well, you just ship it straight to us, or just ship it through like Northern Ireland, and we just put like a fucking EU stamp on it. Like I'm thinking out loud, a lot of this shit is like pointless.
Yeah.
So honestly, none of you fuckers got that message from like Facebook.
Nah, I didn't.
Well, I heard that like the US lot got hit harder. Like UK apparently is only like 1 million people. So if you was one of the people who got a message, you're fucking lucky apparently. I'm still going to keep all my Facebook stocks. I honestly think they're going to come out of this smelling like roses. I mean, talk to me in 2 weeks' time when it all goes fucking pear-shaped and red. I mean, I can only go by like anecdotal. Like most of my family and friends, they still use Facebook and they don't really give a shit that the information was sold. They really, yeah, they don't give a shit that the information was sold. Yeah,
it's such a brand now, isn't it? It's like no one.
Yeah, I mean, like honestly, like I think the big companies like Tesla. Oh, I'm only using Tesla recently because that's the only article, but I'm pretty sure like all the big companies will pull out and they won't have like Facebook pages. But I don't think it's going to stop users. Because for like a lot of users, that's the only way they can communicate with their old friends from school. I don't know. I could be fucking mad for like holding on to it. Like I bought quite a bit while it was cheap. But I'm pretty sure they're going to take another really fucking hard hit after they come to the UK and start talking about the hack. Well, it's not even the hack, is it? They fucking allowed people to do it. So, but honestly, I don't think people are going to care about it. I generally do think Facebook's going to survive this.
Yeah, it's too big of a company. People forget about this shit in like a month's time.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I mean, I've bet pretty big on this, so this is going to really fucking hurt me if it doesn't pay out. I mean, I obviously do stocks a lot different than a lot you lot. I do it mainly on tech stuff because I know the tech industry, so I know what's going to do well and what doesn't. I mean, it's what's worked for me for the last 10 years, so why change something that's not broken? Oh god, 12-year-old one now. Yay.
Let me tell you guys, I am so excited. I am so happy. Let me tell you, I love.
I can't move people. It's just
Yes! Hey, everybody. My name is Carl. Let me tell you, I love.
Is no one gonna ban him?
What's up?
BitConnect.
Jesus Christ.
Why does not you target certain people?
It wouldn't let me mute him or anything.
Why is the market so slow today?
It's Monday. We were till Wednesday. Hey, hey, hey.
TV is a shit board. Into the trash it goes. I'm a big guy for you.
One of my team just like setting fires, apparently.
Did you randomize your characters?
Yeah, he goes on fire starting sprees and he lights half the base on fire.
Yeah, see, I avoided it.
What, was your teammate Raymond or something?
This motherfucker.
Conan's a fucking crypto shill now.
Who's showing crypto?
Yeah, looks like it.
faggot. Well, it should be set to W for... What am I, a faggot?
Alphabet soup. I made it special.
Krabby Monday's birthday.
Hey, hey, hey.
Everybody type in the chat, Alex is a stupid nigger.
time to stop. It's time to stop, okay? Where the fuck are your parents? Who are your parents? Protective services. It's time.
You fucking gay, you fucking faggot.
Yeah! Gang shit, dog!
Hey,
Gang shit! Gra, gra! What's up?
Bra, ba, ba, ba.
Gra! Skit, skit! What's going on this fine evening? Nice, dude.
Third time's a charm.
I'm showing Drago this dude who PM'd me off the sub. He thinks I'm like a mod because that post I got upvoted. And he's like, dude, banned me from the sub. I'm like, no, sorry. That dude's fucking retarded.
Some really excellent looking tenders there.
Oh man, only the best. The art of tenders, man. They just take forever to make. Nah, fuck you, Robo. Where's Drag Queen? How do you do the fucking... How do you add a note to this Google Doc thing? That's some next level shit you got going on.
Where I'll make a spreadsheet with like a
prank call thing probably shouldn't do.
Yeah, it's not a good idea.
Meme. Yeah. History of WP. I didn't put anything because
I don't even think that's like necessary.
JC put some of that shit down.
I know.
Maybe a brief history.
I mean, it shouldn't be a segment or anything. You know?
No. Like an introduction.
Not even an introduction. It should be done later on. Maybe later on. I don't mean that. things we shouldn't even talk about.
Yeah, well, we can describe the sub. Just so fucking, if there's anybody listening who's not from the sub knows. Gotta say nigger every other sentence and make lots and lots of calls. Lots and lots.
Do you want a fucking MA rating on fucking iTunes? Come on.
Can you imagine? No, I'm not gonna say any nigger.
You can say it on accident. Just it shouldn't be discussions about niggers or Jews.
Hmm?
It shouldn't be like an ongoing discussion about niggers or Jews.
I mean, if you're shooting for the iTunes podcast, I'm probably not gonna say nigger at all.
You shouldn't even use bad language. Try not to. At least.
You can't?
You shouldn't.
No, yeah, you
I
should.
think you can, but I mean,
If it's gonna be a legit podcast.
it shouldn't be like you shouldn't say fuck every like 2 words. You know what I mean? You know what I'm fucking saying? Like fucking shit, dude. Fuck.
Way ahead of you. Fucking nigger.
Fuck you.
Oh my god, look at all these fucking emojis. Like that plum guy in chat who just posts memes all day. I think that's Farmer.
Possibly.
You know what I'm talking about? He only posts memes. He made that fucking picture that's on the dock. Breaking news.
So JC,
What?
you know when there's like people who want to defect to your village or whatever?
Yeah.
So I just had somebody defect, and the raid that they sent after me was like a 16-year-old kid with a knife. Orange cave child.
Capture him.
So can you like make him a part of your group if you capture him, or?
Yeah, you can like choose to execute him. You can try to get him on your team. You could just let him go.
I only have like 2 females, and I think they're both fucking lesbians now. So I need to like get more people somehow.
I'm never using that teeth whitening mouthwash shit. I need teeth whitening garbage. That shit makes my teeth so sensitive. Those fucking niggers.
Rips off your enamel.
Hmm?
It rips your enamel, that's how it makes it white again.
Yeah, 1 shot, 1 kill. Oops.
That's like, my teeth are sensitive as fuck now. Bastards. Well, can't even drink a cold drink without it fucking like. Oh man. Bastards. I'm gonna get a bowl cut.
Is your hair long enough?
Let me see. Yeah.
All right.
All right. If I pull it down over the front, it goes like between my eyes. Man, this is it. I want to be a surfer, bro. Robo, is normal? Where the fuck is that nigger? Robo.
Yeah.
Does normal mouthwash fuck up your teeth?
Will it fuck up your teeth? No, why?
Okay. Just that teeth whitening mouthwash shit.
It's just alcohol most of the time.
What you want to do
you
is
have like.
What you want to do is brush your teeth.
yeah, but then use mouthwash and then don't rinse with water. You're supposed to rinse with water. It defeats the purpose. It's supposed to coat your teeth and eliminate.
But I use that fucking teeth whitening shit. It just fucking hurts.
You just have sensitive teeth, man.
Yeah, it got like Sensodyne. It just ruins it.
I never heard of teeth whitening mouthwash.
Yeah, I think it's more of a scam than anything.
Dude, that shit sucks.
I mean, it's probably like some really strong fucking like alcohol. It's more than that. Gotta be more than alcohol.
It tastes like that shit on the white strips that you can put on your teeth.
Yeah, but you need that shit to be on there for like at least an hour.
I guess if you let it settle, you know.
Did you get the trays? You can just squeeze them in there. It's usually like an hour. The shit that the dentist gives you is like 20% or whatever, and that shit will rip your teeth up. Yeah, dude, just don't use that shit.
Yeah, that's the teeth whitening.
Just get Sensodyne and just use normal shit. You're fine.
Let's just go get teeth cleaned or something. Gotta be scraped or something. I gotta go. See you guys, man.
Later, man.
Peace out. Yeah, I used the normal kind last night, but it's still sensitive. So.
Yeah, you'll be fine after a few days.
Dr. Robo.
Yo, am I gonna be in your segment on the podcast of who almost blew up? Can feature me on who almost blew up.
Let's see what we got here. You want me to read you back the notes? Okay.
I was here last night.
Okay, blah blah. JC's a nigger's idea. It said JC's ideas, but I put JC's a nigger. YOLO of the week, trader, and obituaries. Guess the close index. Meme submissions. Letter to Shkreli. Earnings, pranks. Black doesn't
Which
want that.
podcast?
WSP podcast.
Oh, really?
Yeah. If you pretend that you're a multi-billionaire from Germany, we might let you on.
Yeah, sorry, it's gonna take some time. Like
No, you just
6
gotta
minutes or
pretend.
so.
Okay, perfect. WSP ETF? What the fuck do they mean by that? ETF's like a bunch of shit into one, right?
Come on, man.
I don't fucking know. I know JNUG. I learned this all like a while ago, but I forget, dude. My memory is so bad.
Yeah, JNUG.
Exchange Traded Fund. I know that.
Do you smoke weed, T?
No.
T's ever been drunk.
Yeah, I can't remember T ever going in here drunk.
So, but exchange rate, like, I know what the fuck it is, but I mean, clearly I don't. What does he mean by WSB ETF?
Like, WSB picks their own stocks and then make a fake ETF out of them.
You put it all together, right? Yeah, that's what I mean. You put it's a bunch of shit together. I was right. Okay, not that retarded. Yeah, that'll be cool. See how awful this stuff is doing. JNUG, Crocs, Spy, MEU.
It's Nuggin. It's James Nuggin.
TJ Nugget. At your. I can't even say it with a straight face. My brother James Nuggin.
Brothers
Started up
we
this
met
hedge
on-
fund.
We met on a boat in Hong Kong on New Year's Eve.
My brother James Nuggin just got back from the Hong Kong sailboat racing. You know, started our hedge fund back in 1998. WSB Capital has been running strong out of Bermuda.
Well, no, you gotta say 98, because the handover was in 97. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. Just be careful about that.
I don't care. People don't know shit.
No. Skeptics, shall we say, of the British Empire marked it as the beginning of the decline of the British Empire. The 1997 handover. What an important point, man.
So you lost me, Kona.
That's okay.
It's too much information.
It's world history. I don't expect someone like you to follow
Are
that
you gonna be
kind
on
of
the
shit.
podcast?
What kind of podcast?
KKK podcast we got invited to.
Oh, well, I only have 2 Ks in my name, so I don't think.
Ah, fuck.
Yeah, you understand.
Kona Kikona. Okay. Let's see.
Like, I was making fun of Reaper for a while until I realized the guy was just retarded. I was like, alright, just gonna let them play amongst themselves now. We're playing, engaging in this.
Alright. You think I could just swish around vodka in my teeth instead of mouthwash shit?
No,
I
what
don't
the fuck?
I just don't trust it.
No, dude. What?
What?
Vodka? Really?
Yeah.
No, T. You need to just use Listerine.
Yeah, you
Yeah, I know,
need to. Yeah.
Why
Doesn't work
not?
like that.
I can just use vodka, right?
Yeah.
Oh, clean it.
Yeah, you know what? Do it.
Okay.
Do it.
I'm gonna have like no teeth by the morning.
But you need at least 60% alcohol for it to be like a proper antiseptic. So.
No, I'm just gonna drink fucking rubbing alcohol.
No, you can't. It's
Rubbing
40%
alcohol?
by volume. It doesn't
Watch
get
me.
stronger. You have to distill it even more.
Rubbing alcohol, dude?
Look, man, you can find yourself Everclear. Right? Get back to us if you're not dead.
Man cleans mouth with rubbing alcohol. Die.
You end up on not the onion. Found with copious amounts of attendees in the vicinity. Tattooed across his chest. Alex Jones did nothing wrong.
YOLO of the week. Huh.
Oh, Alex Jones, the Foxaton gay.
Is that Ping Guy?
Yeah.
How the fuck you been, Ping Guy? How the
Doing
fuck you been, mate?
doing okay.
Shagging fucking birds over there.
Well, sex life hasn't been brilliant, but
Oh, fucking hell.
Yeah.
Oh, bloody fucking hell. Because, you know, all the birds are out on the wave runners.
What?
All the birds. Pink Guy, tell him what a wave runner is.
I can't because I have no fucking clue what that is.
Yeah, the fucking sailboat shit you guys make in your famous town in England.
Well, where I live, we make sunseekers.
Ah, it seems I don't even know. Sunseeker, yeah.
I mean, if you're gonna fucking troll me, do it properly, like sunseekers.
I don't fucking know. Never even heard of the boat.
What sunseekers? I actually thought sunseekers were pretty famous. Because like, if you're on a yacht, like that is like the Lamborghini of like yachts.
So it's pretty mediocre.
Sunseekers. I'm actually tempted to post a fucking link. I'm honestly thinking sunseekers.
I've seen
is
it.
like...
They look nice, but they're made by the British, so I wouldn't trust them.
Why wouldn't you trust the British? They've been selling for fucking centuries.
I don't know. Have you ever ridden a Royal Enfield? No thanks.
Have you even been to the UK?
Mate,
Ah.
if the UK didn't actually have boats, America wouldn't exist. You would have to walk across the Atlantic.
Actually,
Yeah, but we
no,
don't do that because we
technically
believe in
Portuguese
Jesus
probably
Christ.
Come on. The British are renowned for making their boats. Come on, like we had like the best, like granted not anymore, but we had like the best like navy in the world.
You ever meet the Vikings?
Oh, you're going down that route? Yeah, the Vikings they basically have fucking yachts.
So, like,
Vikings.
Don't say that about the Trident.
No, because like the fucking Vikings, at least they went to Canada.
They went to the right place.
Yeah, what I'm talking about is like, you know, the 13th century, they fucking rode like fucking thousands of fucking miles across the fucking ocean. The Vikings fucking did that so they could like rape and pillage like the people there. But like, apparently I've been looking into this. Apparently, like the Vikings actually found America before the Europeans did.
Yeah.
They were like, there's nothing to rape here.
Newfoundland. They went there a long time before Columbus.
How did the Connect get banned? What happened?
I know, but like, but the Spanish did fuck the like Mayans into like being like Mexicans. So Spanish has got that.
He you should just slay all the specs.
Well, no, like the Spanish basically fucked the Mexicans or the Aztec into being Mexicans.
God, that's really fucking someone of me. Pink, are you on a pair of Crocs?
Can I
Wow.
interest you in a nice pair of Crocs, sir?
You know what I just saw? I clicked on the ones I got, and I clicked on the other color, and they're all sold out. Every single size except size 11 is completely sold out. Who the fuck? Dude, they're so ugly. God damn it, dude.
Yeah, I don't do Crocs. I do like shoes and suits.
Crocs are a very profitable company.
You wouldn't wear fucking Crocs with a suit?
Fuck no.
Crocs for Florida.
I mean, like, you could call me a degenerate. I will wear like a suit jacket with jeans. So.
Isn't that how you get stabbed in the UK for like fashion police?
Yeah, you just go outside, you get stabbed. That's how it is. Oh, give me a fucking wallet, mate.
Well, again, actually, that wasn't that wasn't a bad English accent, but like, it's fucking London. Well, the thing is, I live in the south. Like, literally, like 98% of the population is white where I live. Like, we just do like London's like that fucking retarded cousin that we sort of go, okay, we'll just leave them alone. As long as they don't fucking leak into like where we live.
Sanding down south?
No, not really.
Are you near Leicester?
No, I'm fucking Leicester's fucking like the Midlands.
Oh, okay. Drago said it's down south, but obviously Mr. fucking retard doesn't even know where he's at right now.
Have you just been watching Guy Ritchie films a lot, like Snap?
It's not fucking. Like, do you honestly? I mean, I'm really good at faking my accent, or you actually believe me? That's the.
On what?
The only two options.
No. He said my British accent. I'm really good at a Scottish accent.
Well, actually, no. You do generally sound British to me, so.
What? No, he doesn't sound British at all.
No, the fucking British accent.
Oh, that.
I can do a Scottish accent perfectly. But...
Do a Billy Connolly.
What? Who?
You don't know Billy Connolly? Okay, hold on.
Nah.
Oh.
I've had
Scottish Jesus.
I've had Scottish friends for years. I went there and everything. I've talked to them like every fucking day and shit. Gotta go from Glasgow to fucking Edinburgh, lad.
Oh.
Come at me, I'll kick your right in the cock.
Jesus Christ! In that picture, he looks like he should be like Harry Potter.
He might as well be yellow Harry Potter.
He's really cool. He's really cool. He was in that like a film. Oh, what the fuck was that film called?
Scotland!
No, the Saints. Ah, shit! I have to remember it. I've been drinking. My apologies, but like, there was a film like Doom Docks fucking Saints or something. He was in.
Boondock Saints.
Yeah, he was in that. Not the cartoon, but the one where like the dude's actually in like The Walking Dead now.
Let me see it.
I'll post a link.
1,400 upvotes on my post. Oh my god, I'm famous.
Oh, you're famous. Congratulations.
Thanks, mate.
But yeah,
I can't watch this without subtitles because I don't understand any of them. And that goes for Trainspotting 2 as well.
What does this say?
But I do class like being famous on the internet as like being the cleverest person with Down syndrome. It's not really an achievement.
What if you're a girl though? Like one of those Twitch girls streamers.
Alright. Where the hell are... I don't know where these people are from. Like, what part of Scotland? That's weird.
Belfast.
Yeah, not a bad film. It was produced in like 1999. I'll post a link to it. Like, well, Billy Connolly was in it.
It's me, the robot. I'm from
But the thing is, he actually pretended to be like Irish in it. Like apparently he was like Irish.
Ah, okay.
That doesn't. Okay.
And William Defoe was actually in it as well.
Willem Dafoe.
Yeah, the dude with, like the massive cock. Like, no, I am not. No, I'm not even fucking joking about it. No, I know. I'm not even fucking joking. William Defoe has such a fucking big cock that they have to actually have like airbrushes to sort of like brush out the fucking bulge in his fucking pants. I am not even fucking joking about this. Like Hollywood, every time they have like, have you ever watched like any film with like William Defoe in it? They only film him like above the fucking chest because they do is like fucking. If they actually do his waist, he has got a massive cock. Well, he did porn at one point as well.
Is that why they don't talk about it?
Well, I don't know. Like, do they talk about porn when like Sylvester Stallone? I mean, he used to be known as like the fucking Italian stallion. He started his whole career doing porn.
Sylvester Stallone. Good for him.
But yeah. William Defoe has a fucking huge cock that you actually have to, like, movie studios have to bring in like a huge fucking they have to bring in like a whole fucking studio to just, like wipe it out.
I don't know, you're very advanced movie critic.
Well, no, I bet on movies. I bet on everything, like stock market bets. Doesn't matter. I fucking bet.
So you're really British, huh? Dude, I swear everyone in the UK bets, and it's like, oh, it's so. I don't know why you guys gamble. Everybody in the UK
is illegal over there. I don't know.
Well, what the fuck is a stock market if it's not bets?
Zoinks.
Educated bets.
Right, because that's what
options.
Then
Sure.
Yeah.
Options is betting. Yeah.
Well, options is just leverage.
Oh, it's like, oh, it's gonna hit this at this time. Options is.
Well, I'm actually surprised that somebody actually just posted like William Defoe's humorous ding-a-ling. Like, who the fuck says ding-a-ling? Confusingly large. But yeah, he's got a big fucking knob, and like, yeah, when everyone has to do a film, they have to like work around that.
Don't look at his enormous penis.
Oh, I mean, we had the same problem with like David Bowie. David Bowie did that whole
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, Jesus.
Yeah, that fucking film, like where he's paying, where he's like wearing like latex. Yeah, we didn't have like CGI then to like hide it.
I'm gonna play high school rugby tomorrow.
Well, no, at the moment, I'm actually thinking about putting a bet on. Well, it would be like a bet on stocks. I'm actually thinking about doing stocks with like Disney. But I don't know.
Don't bet against Disney.
Well, yeah, obviously don't bet against it. But I'm thinking about like the new film that's coming out, like Infinite Wars, or what it's fucking called. I honestly think it's probably going to be like the most popular film.
What is
Hollywood.
it? Toy Story 4 is coming out.
No, Infinite Wars.
Never heard of it.
Like basically the new Avenger films.
Oh. Marvel shit? No, superhero movies are just really fucking cliche. I'm not a fan.
Yeah, but they sell extremely well. It doesn't matter if you like them or not. All what counts is if they sell well.
Who watches? Does anybody here watch superhero movies?
No, I'm
like
not
Marvel. That shit's just so. You gotta be a real fucking nerd to watch that shit.
Yeah, but they sell well. They really do sell well.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, Christian Hendricks. I would do such wrong things to her.
What, like kill her?
Well,
I mean, that's pretty wrong.
well, Tilly fucked the shit out of it.
Hey, man, consensual sex isn't wrong. Just gotta ask Elliot Rogers if it's okay.
Well, the thing is, she's not a very good person to bet on when it comes to film. So it's like, pretty much every film she's ever been starred in, they don't do well. She's not a very good actress to bet on.
Man, maybe I should move to the UK and just take advantage of like degenerates. People who have like crazy gambling addictions.
Well, whatever I do well.
Gambling? Hey man.
Well, no, I said like you do understand like Wall Street bets are pretty much a form of gambling.
No. It's YOLOs.
What do you mean it's yeah? What do you mean
It's not gambling, dude. Gambling is like you just lose.
Sounds about right.
Wall Street bets you can make it. You could say, hey, Crocs is probably the greatest shoe in the world, and put all your money in. That's gonna be Wall Street bets, you know.
Gambling,
decision.
you just lose. Gambling, by definition, you get a random payoff with.
Well, I'm finding it amazing that you actually think the stock market is not a form of gambling.
No, not really. I'm like, sure, if you want to go buy a stock of something you don't even look at, then yeah, it's gambling. Definitely is, but
I honestly don't give a shit what the asset
and
is doing.
from what you say, Warren Buffett is the luckiest man in the world. To be honest, you're not wrong. Dude. That dude's like 300 years old.
Wall Street Bets isn't Warren Buffett. Are you serious?
No, just say it. He said the stock market is gambling. I mean, Wall Street bets, you know, that's kind of a gambling thing, but it's really not.
Well, the stock market is better. The thing is, if you got enough money, you can just like invest in one company, wait for it like to go up or down, and just sell it. So, but again, you need a fucking few million to fucking do that.
I don't know. A lot of people start with not much money.
Yeah, but
They're just
Buffett
good traders.
had a ton of money because of his insurance business. A lot of people ignore that.
Look at some people here. You know, they're just really good. They're not wealthy. They don't come from wealth. You know, they're good traders and they make a lot of money.
Yeah, but they don't make it on fundamentals. They make it technical.
Well, to be honest,
yeah.
I actually think most people on here like LARPing, but that's me personally.
Who? LARPing?
Live action role playing.
I do shoot magic missiles.
I love LARPing.
Saw a lot of LARPers. This
Honestly, don't think, and you guys can feel free to disagree with me. I don't think Jeb Bush could have raped any.
You said Jeb Bush?
I don't think there's concrete evidence that anything of this sort. I think anybody who's making those allegations would be making mountains out of molehills. I just honestly don't think he raped.
Usain Bolt is playing soccer now.
You know, despite what anybody may or may not say, Glenn Beck did not murder a woman after raping her on December 13th, 1989. I just want to make it clear that he
Actually, how many people was even born in 1989?
How many people were born in 1989?
A few million people, I'd say.
Well, yeah, I'm not about like the population. I'm not about people in here.
Good amount.
I was born in 1989.
Well, I'm an old cunt. I'm 35 years old. So.
I'm going for
you had to put the prerequisite that you weren't a cunt. Just kind of like how Glenn Beck did not rape and murder a woman on December 13th, 1989.
Bill Cosby did not rape any of them women.
No, he just made he just made a special barbecue sauce. I mean, have you seen that? Have you seen it when he
Casey,
gets like?
how old are you?
You can't do math. He just said he's born in 1980.
Oh, you're born in 1989?
89, so that's
28 years old.
No, I thought you said you were like in school then or something.
Or you could still be in school.
I didn't listen.
Medical school.
Or you could just hang out at schools.
Or
You
yeah.
don't know.
What's up, fellow young people?
Oh, hey, hip chainsaw vasectomy. How are you?
Why are we posting pictures of
Yo, Tim.
what?
What's up, nigga?
Dude, I'm white. We've been over this.
I saw Chris today.
Oh yeah?
Called
How's
you
he
a
look?
weeba. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh man.
They
Yeah,
got
he's
a
telling-
rugby game tomorrow. I'm gonna play in it.
Oh yeah, you're gonna get rocked.
Shoulder some kids. Some high school kids.
I always find it funny when occasionally someone goes to shoulder and then they just dislocate their shoulder.
When what?
They dislocate their shoulder.
Sounds like everything.
Poor form. Wait, you couldn't hear me?
Jesus.
What is Perky Martha posting here?
Shoulder game, man.
The Zodiac Killer?
There's not 50 stars on that flag. I'm suing.
Sue Bay on this fucking subreddit, dude.
I haven't heard of Sube about Lisa Sue in a long time.
Is that a brand of ramen?
Sue Bay?
Picture and nanner.
Sube ramen?
Yeah, you guys want to see how black Raymond is?
Is that sushi?
I'm telling you, dude, he's black. Look at those hands.
Or you just could be, you know, Asian people get really tan.
Oh, this is a good meme I still have on my computer. I can just delete it. There we go.
Oh, did you see the fucking gavel Patrick Reed did? Yeah. Pull this fucking gif up. Is that Nanner in his German attire?
I'm actually wondering what's going to happen with Syria. I'm wondering like how I can make money from that.
Nothing's gonna happen. Trump's not gonna. He's not
Nothing.
gonna
It's gonna burn.
It's gonna burn.
Just make some bets, dude.
Oh no! I honestly don't know how I can make money from it. Because like, I mean, to be honest, this seems like deja vu what happened with Gaddafi.
I should bet 20 pounds that they're gonna leave the EU.
Well, then we're leaving the EU. That's fucking.
No, that's Syria.
Good one.
Oh shit! I gotta go. I'll be back.
No, I'm just wondering how I can make money from it. I mean, Assad's fucked. Like, let's be honest, he's really fucking fucked. Even though he probably didn't fucking do it, other people might have fucking played a part of it. But... Look, I'm just looking at an angle. Are you trying to do like Special Olympics, or are you just going like, I don't know? Yeah, I'm getting loads of like. Oh Jesus Christ! I'm getting lots of deja vu. I could do like probably oil or gas. I need to look into this. Hold on, give me a sec. And like 90% of gas is all produced by Russia, so.
What gas?
In the EU, like 90% of the gas, like gas cookers and stuff, like or propane as we call it. Well, it's not propane, is it? It's like it's gas, like it's produced by Russia. So.
Interesting.
I'm just looking at how I can make money from it. Yeah, I'm surprised you didn't know that. Like 90% of all gas that's
I don't really care about
like
the EU though. It's just a shithole.
Well, but do you care about money?
Yeah, but I don't know any Russian stocks. I don't see how it's gonna make the.
No, but I mean, you must put bets on like the London stocks.
I'm not stupid. I don't place bets. I'm just not dumb. Yeah, I'm not really a degenerate, but I never will. Never in my life will I ever place a bet.
What the fuck are you doing like in this channel then?
Eating gummy worms, playing Rust. Bets are just for degenerates.
This is a Minecraft Christian server.
If you ain't gonna build a fucking cross in Minecraft, get the fuck out.
If you're not here to praise him, I don't know why you're here.
Praise Notch.
Well, Notch sold out to Microsoft, so yeah.
Good for him. He deserved it. Let's see if there's a Minecraft Christian server.
Well, I just like making money, but fuck me, right?
Same. Would anybody invest in a kid's Minecraft server if he came in here and asked? Serious question.
Nah.
You wouldn't? If a little kid found out Wall Street bets and he like came in here and tried to get investors for his server, that'd probably be the craziest shit ever. I'd probably give him some money just like him being smart enough to fucking find this place. I couldn't think of any little kid being like, I'm gonna go get investors. I didn't know Pinga was that much of a degenerate.
What up, y'all?
So.
What's new today?
Oh, Stylix, you have to refrigerate your food storage. No fucking wonder everybody's always starving. All my food's spoiled.
Oh, yeah, I figured that out a while ago. I thought you knew that. Yeah, you can make like a walk-in cooler or like a freezer. So
Yeah.
I've got 2 AC units hooked up, and it stays.
I've got one and I just have it set to Kramer.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's like negative 12 Celsius in mine.
I've got
And
mine
then I
set
just
to
put the
negative 200. I don't
Oh,
know why.
jeez. Yeah, if you just put a butcher table in there too, and then they'll just leave the meat on the ground. It makes it a lot easier.
I made one of these paste dispensers too. I don't really know what it does. But
I think you have to like plant some fiber or something like that, and then it's just a way that you don't really have to plant. I think if you have hydroponics and that, you like don't even have to really hunt anymore. I don't know. I have 2 of my guys out to do one of these fucking world things, and it's taking forever.
I've got 9 guys in the base right now.
What game is that?
Survivio.
Oh my god, this idiot. He was almost done. He had 1 work left on his pants until he was done.
What happened in the market today? I thought the futures were green and everything was going to be dandy.
Your chef is binging on smoke leaf.
Yeah, that's you gotta be careful about that.
Fucking chef just high as fuck making like s'mores and shit. So there's hidden areas in the map. I broke down a wall by deconstructing it, and there were cryopods inside. And I found a bunch of guys that I rescued and some really rare stuff in there.
Yeah, I got like a cue that something like that was nearby, but I haven't figured out where the fuck it is yet. Oh, I can buy a mega screen television. What the fuck?
says today that the last 2 hours were the worst since September 2011.
Dude, I could buy a monkey.
What does it mean the last 2 hours?
The swing on the market.
No, it wasn't.
That's
It
what
was- it was
Market
like
Watch says.
40 fucking points.
It's really not that big of a deal.
They're dumbasses.
It was the worst swing in a market on an April, whatever today is, in the past 5 years. So I can buy a Doomsday rocket launcher. What the fuck?
No, it says the S&P was up 1.9%, and then it closed 0.3.
Doesn't seem extreme to me at all. Am I alone in this? I mean, that seems uninteresting.
Today's swing represented the worst final hour of trading for the benchmark index since September 27, 2011. Which I don't give a fuck, because I'm making money either way. So I'm gonna drink to that.
That's funny, my chef is just sitting there smoking a fat fucking blunt. So in the fucking room.
That's dope, man. No pun intended.
He's just fucking around, man. He's having a good time. Oh, and it's really a good idea to set one guy to clean and only clean.
Yeah,
It
I
makes
don't
the
have
rest of your dudes way happier.
My guys, like, the thing is, like, they're not upset, but they still go on these fucking fire sprees for some reason.
Yeah, I hate that shit.
It's annoying.
I'm glad I re-upped on my UVXY puts while the market was up. Or the SVXY puts.
So all the members of my caravan died, and it didn't tell me why.
Yeah, gang shit.
Should be able to make 1,300 bucks on this biddy. We looking good, boys.
Train that ES? Huh?
No, I have 13 AMD calls.
Oh man. Short it.
Now I'm shorting the short VIX.
Short in the short look.
Yeah. Expires Friday. 10 puts. It's because the ETF has decay. So really you don't ever want to make a call on it, right?
I'm gonna short niggers.
Short Popeyes, short watermelons,
Popeyes? Black people like that shit?
short short hot sauce, short
Niggas
hot
like hot
Cheeto
sauce?
fries. Hell yeah, niggas like hot sauce. Short Chrysler. Short Nike.
God, these fucking niggers are like 8 people together. God damn it. Ugh. Back with a gun and just shoot all these cocks.
Whoa.
Hit a guy 3 times with a goddamn bow and arrow, motherfucking nigger.
Sounds like you're playing Rust.
Damn.
Damn, that shit was tight when I played it. I played it when it first came out.
Headshot the guy.
I used to build
Double headshot, he's dead. Let's go.
build a giant ass pier out on the water and people would run down it. So I'd wait until they get to the door and knock and then they start running back and I shoot them.
Yeah.
When that shit first came out, I built a fucking spike wall on the road
Dude, there's shit,
and I
shit
turned
going
it
on.
into a fucking concentration camp.
Run. Oh. Yeah, there's another guy, I'm just saying, be careful. Be careful. How the fuck do people get on the roof? How do you get on the roof? Whoa! How do you get on the roof? Can't get on the roof. Dude, I'm killing diggers.
They switched it back to blueprints, right?
Something like that.
Yeah, I didn't like it when everyone could make everything. It took away from the game.
Mm. Okay.
I think the very last base I built, it just had an opening on the ground level. And
Yeah.
I put a low wall there with a bunch of bear traps on the other side. So I'd be chilling on my base and people would jump over the fucking wall and then get bear trapped. And I'd hear them scream and I would just run out and execute them and take all their shit and do it
With
all
the
over
fucking
again.
on the stairs. That's what we used to do.
No. It was like, it was a 3x1 base and it was 2-story. But the center bottom square was open, so you could walk like through the base, like a drive-through.
Oh yeah.
And then I just put 2 low walls there and a shit ton of traps.
Pretty funny. Rust is pretty fun if you don't encounter any hackers. Which kind of is very common now. Just unfortunate.
It was dope pre-update at Resource Valley.
Oh yeah.
But everyone's like, don't kill the nakeds. And I got a shotgun with the fucking laser sight. Or a laser and a sight. Some motherfucker comes running up, I just shoot him with the shotgun and the admin bans me.
I mean, this guy in the little door right now. Got him. Oh! Oh! Later, bitch. Thanks for the gear, nerd. Arrow fights are intense. God damn.
Just run up with the flamethrower, bro.
It's actually not a bad idea. Maybe I should try that. If you can find one.
Be like, hey, how's it going? And then
I like
just
that
fucking
idea.
cook them.
What's up, dude? Gah!
Or they run into their wood base and you just start setting it on
You're
fire.
like, alright, thanks for showing me your base. Fucking go.
Nah, if you put a C4 on the door and blow the door up and immediately start spraying fire into the house.
Jesus.
I'm sure that would flush them out.
Definitely. Ammo.
Some people were talking about like someone chasing them and then you just throw down a bear trap real quick.
It's not a bad idea. You gotta set it though. Kind of difficult. I got a good fucking amount of gear right now. Thanks, nerd. You think I'm gonna come out, you fucking nerd? Do you think this is my real base, dog? Just fucking kill diggers like you. Alright, sure. Where's your fists? You're black. Run away, pussy. This one black kid's trying to harass me. Come on, fight me, pussy! Little nigger. Jesus Christ, I just destroyed a kid.
Wait, why is my name changed?
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Who changed my name?
Who?
Somebody changed my name.
Yeah, I saw it like an hour ago.
That's
Thought it was
me.
pretty funny.
Chris's, what is it? Rugby. Can't see the whole thing.
Pretty accurate, right? Almost.
What does it say? What's after rugby?
Fan?
Rugby fan. Oh shit, somebody made some really bad calls.
Woman saved from rapists by gay rapists that raped the rapist.
You bought 10.
You got a shotgun!
You got 13 contracts. Of
Fucking niggers.
calls.
Yeah.
Shit. Sorry.
What you mean?
At negative $299.
Yeah, that ain't shit. You look at the graph.
Oh wait.
We on track, baby.
Let's see. Downward trend line. God, why the fuck is the quality so shit?
The money flow indicator is still going up.
I'm assuming that's the bottom one.
Next to bottom.
Oh yeah, it's above that red trend line. Baseline.
Although the ADX is low.
But what does AMD have currently right now that makes them? I mean, they have Ryzen and they have their 5 series GPU.
They're gonna have earnings on the first.
You're not expecting a slowdown with decreasing crypto. So their earnings are going to be for what?
Q1.
Q1. So cryptocurrency started to decline in what? January?
Bro, that don't even make up 10% of their sales.
What about crypto?
Where's the info? Actually,
Lisa Sue was asked that same exact question, and she said that it
shareholders
makes up middle single-digit sales.
Is this wrist? Prince back office?
But regardless, they got the business tax cut.
Everybody got the business tax cut.
I know, so everyone's earnings are gonna be sky high.
Hey, I mean $3.90 in aftermarket trading. Actually, excuse me, $4.30. I don't know what the fuck today was. How do you feel about Nvidia? You think they're more towards 200 range rather than 230.
What's the ticker again? NVDA?
NVDA, yeah. They've been on a downward trend over the past month. In 3 months, they've had a basically a triple.
I mean, the ADX
they beat
is
earnings,
low,
and they're going to be coming out with their new. I don't know if it's going to be. Probably going to call it the 11 series. I wouldn't expect them to go to the 2000 series.
yeah, they should be running up. Well, I don't know how they act around earnings. It looks like there was a major sell-off before earnings one time, a run-up another time, a major sell-off before earnings. I'm playing AMD because I'm pretty familiar with it, and I know that they're notorious for running up before earnings. But, I mean, or else I wouldn't have done what I did already, but doesn't look like you can really count on it to run up for Nvidia, or at least run up to the earnings. Like,
yeah, where is it here? Let me pull it up.
But the strength is low, and it seems like it's sitting at a neat price now. No, I just looked on Thinkorswim.
Yeah, here, check out. Morgan Stanley says cryptocurrency weakness offers buying opportunity.
JC, what's that game called that you're playing? Rimworld on there, man. Just remember.
Bro, crypto and graphics card sales, bro, as long as people are playing video games.
Yeah, the other thing too that Nvidia is trying to shove down some of the developers' throats are their whole, you know, hey, you develop your games on using our architecture more so, and here's all the tools to do it, but you know, you try and have AMD cards. They've been doing this for a while, but they're ramping it up more so now, so that they can get developers and people to strictly, you know, stay in their environment, so to speak.
I've only used Intel and Nvidia products.
Yeah, that's a lot.
But
I've used AMD in high school.
Well, if you've used a newer game console, it's powered by AMD.
Right, because they made that for what, the Xbox,
PlayStation, and Nintendo consoles. But what I'm getting at is there's gonna be a day in the future, maybe 4 years out, 5 years out, where you're gonna have the same, if not better, performance for half the cost for AMD.
Oh,
And
yeah,
people are just gonna call you retarded for buying. Yeah.
Yeah, once HBM2 comes out and the stacks and everything, yeah, that architecture is gonna be really sick, and it's gonna have a higher bandwidth and all this other stuff. What were you laughing at, bitch?
Fucking niggers and rust.
Well, right now, basically AMD has more cores at a lower frequency versus Intel with its lower amount of cores on a higher frequency. You're basically just comparing a souped up turbocharged 4-cylinder versus a big beefy V8. But as it sits now, there's like depends on if the Intel processor is overclocked or not. You're looking at a 5 or 10% difference in performance.
Yeah.
With no,
and
with
that
no
basically
overclock.
translates into, you know, plus or minus, you know, I don't know, 2 to 5 FPS. That's,
Well, the real question is, are you going to pay double the price or more for a maximum of 20% gain?
exactly. You know, I paid $270 for my i7 4790K, and then I also got a motherboard through Micro Center. That was 4 years ago.
You bought a i7 for 250 bucks.
Let me actually hang on. Maybe I still have the envelope in here.
That shit should have been like 350 bucks.
No, it was a sale that Micro Center has where you buy the motherboard and the CPU. Oh, here we go.
Oh, okay.
I can't believe I have this shit. It's the one thing I was organized with. Let's see. You also laugh to see how much I paid for my 970. Let's see, December, no, it's 2016.
But they really should have made this game multiplayer, JC.
Yeah, right.
What are you guys playing?
RimWorld.
Minecraft.
What is this fucking gay video game playing hour?
What are you talking about? Talk shit about my Minecraft one more fucking time.
Yo, let me join your server. Plant
My Christian Minecraft server will fucking wreck you, dude.
You like playing with like 5-year-olds?
No cussing.
Oh
That's
no, JC.
the one rule.
I opened up this wall, and these fucking slugs, these centipedes came out.
Big one.
Load your last autosave.
Oh my god, dude, these things are beefy as shit. Centipede, age 845. Equipped with Inferno cannon. What the fuck?
I mean, just look at this, man.
Yeah.
i7 7700K versus Ryzen 7 1800X. Basically, for $30 more, you get twice as many cores, twice as many threads. You what, mate?
I assume Crystal talking.
Slim Chris.
Monotone voice, motherfucker.
Hell yeah.
You should be a rapper, Chris. Somebody ever told you that?
He's gonna rap like this. There's no emotion in his voice at all.
Yeah, my chick sucked it all out of me.
Chris, are you high?
No, I just got off work, but that reminds me. No, I bought a bottle of Knob Creek. I got some Coke, and I'm gonna have a couple drinks. I figured I had a problem with the car. I've been fighting for like a couple days.
What's wrong with it?
It's driving some Chris around.
It's a 02 Frontier with over 1 million miles, and it's on its third engine. And
Why would someone replace engines in that shit? What is it? It's like a big rig or what?
nah, it's more like a smaller truck. But the throttle position sensor had low voltage, so I had to fucking go through this 1 million mile rat's nest of a wiring harness and figure out what the problem was, and I finally got signal back out of the throttle position sensor. So boss was happy. He was happy paying me my money today.
Slim Chris winning, dude. What's this world coming to?
Some Chris is hustling, dude.
How much did you spend on the SPXL call?
Shit, that one definitely was not my best buy, and I'll learn from this one. Well, again, that was me all fucked up.
You like that leverage, don't you?
Well, no, I keep telling myself I'm not gonna make any calls on these ETFs because they decay.
Right.
And this was after I'd cashed out on something that I did all my research. I'm sitting there at work and I'm like, all right, well, what am I gonna put my money in? And then I did that because I'm retarded.
Yeah. I'm interested. If you go to put in like a NVIDIA call, like a fill order or something in the morning, do they get your stuff like right away, or?
Yeah, that shit's right away.
Alright.
As long as it catches like the prices right, you know.
Right. I was just thinking like it's too late for me to get like some contracts and stuff for tomorrow.
Well, like it has an option after you place the order to replace the order in case it didn't instantly buy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the part that I always freak out about, is because, you know, whenever I hit a percentage, you know, return or whatever that I want, like say 30 or 40%, I always get worried that when I go to put in, I don't set it up right away, I wait to see, and then I go to, you know, have them sell the contract or the put or whatever.
The SPX call, it was $346.
Damn. Hey, all it takes is one or two, and you know, you're making a couple of grand.
Right now, I have $1,404 in AMD calls.
How much do I have with my margin? I have.
Wow, a 6-person raid.
I have 1,500 in margin power, or buying power.
Shit, I'm not even using the gold power right now.
Actually, wait, no. Fuck that. I'm actually not on gold.
But when I get in gold again, I'm gonna fucking take out a shitload of puts on the SVXY.
Yeah, and then you're also gonna dump it into SQQQ.
No, just
no? That's a good one. It's an inverse ETF.
Just good calls on select stocks that I know, and then puts on the SVXY. And that way, whenever the market does shitty one day, I can cash them fuckers out. I'm talking like 2,000 in SVXY puts. But yeah, I ain't worried about shit. I just need to cash out the SFXY puts before Friday, and it's only down $20. I won't give a fuck about SPXL until next week, unless I can get out of it for less than a $40 loss.
Yeah, I'm very, very concerned about what Sheeping's gonna say. He's basically just gonna be like, no, fuck you, we're gonna slap on 100 billion if you want to go that route.
Wait, do what now, sir?
I guarantee that's what he says, but he says it a lot more elegantly.
Who?
Sheeping.
About what again?
Oh, you're not in the, if you go down to the, stock and options, Rob has been posting the, Sheeping's given like his presentation or some big talk thing, and
oh, are they Chinese?
that could be bad or good. We don't know.
Oh.
It's gonna dictate our markets. Part of me thinks he does say that they're gonna slap on like a tariff. It's gonna escalate a little bit more. Market's gonna tank, and then they're gonna come to an agreement.
Well, I have 10 put contracts on SVXY for tomorrow.
Oh Jesus. SPXY.
Or SVXY.
I'm all about those leveraged accounts. What did you say? XP? SP? God, I can't even talk right now. I wonder if gold's gonna go up. Probably.
Bro, just buy puts on the SVXY and you'll be straight. Don't do anything else.
SPXY?
That's all you need for account insurance, bro.
Robinhood doesn't have that.
SVXY?
Oh, SVXY. I'm retarded.
0.5 short VIX.
The short.
So that way you can short the short VIX and the decay won't work against you. And on top of that, shit's pretty fucking cheap.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Let's see. Contracts expiring on the 13th. I can get an $11 put for, well, at yesterday's price of 9 cents. So I could buy like 10.
Yeah, my average cost is 11 cents, but probably a market open, that bitch is gonna be like fucking 15 or 20 cents.
Yeah, so what I'm saying is if I place something now, as soon as the market opens, it's gonna jump up in price.
Well, yeah, and then it won't get executed, so...
And then, yeah, you're shit up a creek.
But...
So wait.
I don't know...
Wait, why the hell was the VIX? Why was this so much back in January and it just tipped off?
What was?
The SVXY, like, holy shit. It was 138 bucks back in January. I don't understand this. Why did it drop off?
It's because on February 1st, well, someone else can explain the entire thing, but people were using this to bet against volatility, and then after the market stopped running up on January 31st, basically that day after hours going into February 1st, people lost their ass.
Jesus. Good thing I wasn't them.
But this is the 0.5 bear VIX. The 1 times bear VIX got wiped out.
Oh, it's not even there, right?
Yeah, not even there anymore.
Yeah, I know the, wait, which one am I?
The XIV is what got wiped out, I'm pretty sure. The inverse VIX, yeah. Yep, ain't there no more.
What about VXX? The iPath Standard & Poor 500 VIX short.
Couldn't tell you. Well, pretty much you just want to watch the SVXY and the UVXY. UVIX is a 1.5 times bull VIX. But I don't even make calls on that because decay and the price point. So you're better off just shorting the short VIX. No, I'm saying. Because look at the call options on the UVXY. Shit's like 10 fucking times the price, bro. Know what I'm saying?
Sorry about that. My dog ran off with my hat.
What was the last thing you heard?
Oh, I had asked a question about what is, shit, where is it? It's on my list here.
Whatever it was, basically said, fuck it.
Oh, the VXX.
Yeah, fuck
Actually,
it, man. You just need the SVXY.
But why is
and
this
the
one like over 5 years? Like one of the short-term futures was like it was $1,300, and it's just steadily declined. Is the whole point of that ETF to just decay over time?
It decays because now is it based off the VIX?
No, it's an iPath S&P 500 VIX short-term future.
Well, you can read into why the ETFs decay.
Someone said greed.
It ain't rocket science.
No,
Actually,
it's not. I was
me,
just
kinda.
literally asking if he knew off the top of his head. Save me a click. Because I'm eating food.
It's something like everything's got to be calculated or
Swingfish said
something
revenge.
like basically if you hold your money more, like instead of taking it out or putting it in daily or weekly, if you just held it in there for a month and it's a 3 times gain and the S&P goes up 10%, you should see 30%, right?
Right.
Wrong.
It depends on the day.
You would see 30% if you put your money in there and took it out every day. But because of the decay, you would only see like 22%, or something like that. That I don't know exactly why, but I know that if you try and hold your money in there long term, it don't work out like you think it is.
Yeah. So that's that's what I figured with the 3 times leveraged or 2 times or 1 time. The longest I've kept it in there is a day.
So now here I am, not practicing what I'm preaching, and I'm getting fucked by this SPXL call that I've been holding since last week, and the decay isn't helping me one fucking bit, motherfucker.
Man, I like couscous. Alright, so basically I'm just gonna start investing in what, SVXY and SPXL and a couple of spy calls here and there.
No. SVXY puts for account insurance against the market being shitty. And then
oh, you buy puts against it. So all right, so the way this one works is if the market's doing well, it goes up. If the market's doing shit, it goes down.
you are shorting the short VIX. So you're going along on the VIX, but you're actually making the decay work with you.
Okay.
And shit's cheap. It's cheap insurance.
Yeah.
And then, well, basically any other position that ain't ready for the market to take a shit is going long. But if you try and go the opposite route, I wouldn't buy calls on the, well, just go do what you do and go long on whatever. Just use a short on the SPXY as account insurance for cheap.
That's some sound financial advice there.
Yeah, I basically just got fucked enough on the ETFs and the decay and all that other garbage that I was like, alright, how the fuck am I gonna make some money on this?
Yeah, I'm looking to dig my hole out. Do you ever do anything with ProShare Ultra Pro QQQ?
Let me see my history. So what is it, just QQQ?
Yeah, TQQQ. It's a 3-time leveraged exposure to the NASDAQ.
No history on that, but I did trade one of these QQQs. Okay, I found it. I traded on the SQQQ.
Oh, the S. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've traded on SQQ before.
Alright, so I bought $1,190 worth, and then I sold $1,196 worth, so I made $6 on outright shares. It was the same day, so it wasn't options.
I bought a 420 $20 call for $135, and I sold it a day later for $140. I made $5.
Let's see. I bought outright shares again on it. Let's see.
I actually bought shares? Jesus. bought 2
Yeah,
shares.
it's crazy. I bought shares again, 73 of them, and sold them the next day for $55 profit.
Hey, profit.
And then that's it.
Yeah. Wait, bull market? What's going on? S&P futures live.
Bull market, great. I can cash out on my SPXL.
Holy shit, that is flying up right now.
What is?
The candlestick. Oh boy. On the future, it just shot up from 26.22 to 26.36 in like one. Oh wait, that's a 15-minute interval. Yeah, it's shooting up right now.
On the ES?
Everybody's happy. What is this? Investing.com? What the hell is this shit? Let me log into my trading view. Markets, futures.
Let's see, what time is it? 10?
Yeah, it's about 10. All the futures are green right now. Coffee is very green. Lean hogs is green.
Looks like people were buying this shit up after 4 o'clock.
Damn. Why can't I have insider knowledge? Well, I guess you're what calls did you have yesterday? Do you have some spy calls?
I have one SPXL call. It's a $40 strike.
Yeah.
I made it last week, and it expires like next week.
Yeah.
Holy
I'm going on vacation on Wednesday. I'm trying to make some cash to offset things. It's fun money, not that I need to offset anything.
Holy shit, yeah. That shit's taking off.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see what's going on with QQQ. No. No. Can you trade futures on fucking Robinhood?
Robinhood, no, but I've also got TD Ameritrade, and you can do it on Thinkorswim.
What is? I gotta look up. Everyone's been talking about Thinkorswim, and is Thinkorswim good?
Yeah, it's got a shit ton of options, and sometimes, well, the first time you open it, you'll be like, holy fuck, this is all new shit.
It looks pretty. Oh, alright, yeah, no, I see. They got the oh, look at that. You can do paper trading. Cute. How much do you have to pay? Do you have to pay anything?
I don't know. I opened an account and then I downloaded it.
Let's see what TD Ameritrade has to say to me. I don't know, my friend at Fidelity would get pissed if I opened a TD Ameritrade account.
Can I buy a portion of a future?
I don't know. Is it like a Bitcoin?
I don't know, but I have some spare change in this account.
Futures. Learn about investing in futures. I mean, at some point, some company's gonna scoop up Robinhood, and then everyone's gonna pay.
I don't think they'll sell it. It's too good.
I mean, think about it. The only reason a lot of people don't get into it are people our age is because they don't want to pay for it. But at the same time, too, then you're that audience that doesn't want to pay for it
because
you don't understand what they're, you know, why you have to pay for it. Like, do you want
everyone in my age group from 20 to 30? When I ask them, "Do you have any money invested?" they say no, and then I ask them why not, and they're like, "You know that could crash, right?"
You can make money off of that, faggot. Yeah.
Well, I tell them about it, and it's up to them to decide, but buddy's dad died, and now he gets $800 extra a month. And I got him to open an account that he put $20 in, and I told him to invest his money instead of spending it, and he's just spending it.
So if I deposit $3,000 into a TD Ameritrade account, I can get 60 days of commission-free trading.
With Robinhood Gold, you get pre and after hours trading,
and
you
two
get
times, right?
Two times leverage on the phone with options.
Yeah.
The only thing you don't get is the analytics, but you can just use Thinkorswim for that whenever you get home, you know. And anyways, with that kind of weight, you need to be researching shit. Like,
oh yeah,
don't pull what I did and sell out of a very research position and made money in hunky dory, and then be like, well, time to put some money back in the game, and then be really dumb and buy an SPXL call.
Yeah. Like, just... I mean, technically right now I could do the $2,000 extra buying power and then just throw it into something tomorrow and just watch it. And then cash out later that day, probably at like, I don't know, 2 p.m. I've noticed that's when shit starts to go to there. 3 p.m. is when shit hits the fan. But if I go to sell something, I'm looking to sell at like 2:45.
Alright. There's a strategy that you can try.
Yeah.
It may sound really dumb, but it's worked every fucking time for me. Hold up. I'm gonna smoke a bowl. I'll be right back.
Alright, I'm gonna get more couscous.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Smoke your bowl.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
What's up, niggers?
Niggers can't afford Discord.
What are you doing?
What you're gonna do is make sure that you sold the previous day and you have your money just sitting waiting.
Mm-hmm.
And wake up at about like 9:20 and then go to this is the retarded part, go to StockTwits on your phone and then hit trending and it'll show you what's trending, and basically the stock that has the most percentage change,
Mm-hmm.
you can just like put all of your money into it for like a minute or two.
Oh yeah, no, I've done that with I go to TradingView, and then I go over to the stocks, and I go stock screener, and then while I'm in there, you know, I take a look at the percentage change. But then sometimes, like, you know, if I want to do like the penny stocks, because there's been a couple that have like shot up to like $5 from 3 cents. But you got to keep it in there for a little bit longer, which kind of gets risky. But I've made like $500 doing that.
Yeah. I mean, I just kind of skip past the stock screener part and let StockTwits do that, but I'm just looking for the percent change.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it doesn't matter what the fuck it is. I put my money in companies where I've done absolutely no research.
Yep. Like Turtle Beach, for some reason, got like dick squeezed today. It was hilarious. They got pumped so much.
Because they have the greatest headsets in the world. You can hear footsteps in Minecraft.
Fuck their footstep things. Get a fucking Sennheiser headphones and put a mod mic on. Call it a day.
Just wasted $20. Fuck.
What'd you waste $20 doing?
I was brokering for some Counter-Strike item, and I accidentally redeemed the item, and it's like once you redeem it, you can't trade it. Just fucked up. Just straight up fucked up. That's all.
Job.
I'm an idiot. It's the ugliest fucking thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, I need a new pair of fucking headphones. I've had these for like
Get Astros.
6 years. No.
Why? What do you mean?
Probably just gonna get Sennheisers and throw a mod mic on it. Almost done. Sorry about hearing my fucking hole. Fucking wash it up. There you go.
fuck is this?
What? What the fuck's what? So I guess the recession's canceled. I fucking hate.
Oh boy.
I came onto the Discord, stocks and options during trading hours, and people like 2 seconds they like flip out. Recession canceled. Oh no, it's back on. Canceled. Back on. It's ridiculous.
Well, bro, that's why I'm saying, like, I got the 10 puts for insurance. I don't mind losing $100 if it means that I gotta save my account from whatever kind of fucking
being wiped
whatever
out.
the fuck happened last time, where I was just losing a shit ton of money.
Yeah.
And it just seemed like nothing that I did would help. Yeah, I'll spend the $100, please.
It's better to have some insurance. You pay for insurance.
I pay $118 a month to insure probably a $3,000 car. Why am I not spending $100 a month to insure an account that's more than $3,000?
Right. Right, that's some food for thought there. Take notes, people. Take notes. I can tell. How long have you been trading?
Since January 1st.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Nice.
Is this wrist? No, it's not.
I mean, technically, if
Diagonally?
you want to say trading in total, I got my first stock in 2006 or 7.
You got a certificate to prove it?
Yep. I get dividend checks from fucking Domino's, Overstock, and Campbell.
What's the ticker for Campbell?
Let's see.
I've never heard that one before. That's a weird one.
Campbell's soup is.
Yeah, I know what it is, but it's like I never hear anyone trading it.
You have a candle trader?
I just traded out in the street.
Anyone want to buy some Campbell's?
Hey, I got 8 cream of soup.
I've got a
cream your mom.
Might switch from soybeans to Campbell's. It seems like it moves a little bit faster. Yeah, I found it.
I'm pissed because the company that that I did it through was called like One Share or whatever. So back in what 06 or 07, I was like 15, 16 years old, and you know, I wanted to open up an account, but my parents, you know, they didn't know. So, or I think they did know, but they just didn't want to do too much. So they found this website. You can buy 1 share, and it basically, you know, just teaches kids how to, you know, invest, what it's all about, with some pretty cool, like, you know, manuals and stuff with graphic design. I thought it was kind of cool. But yeah, scooped up Domino's, and I'm sure that's worth what, $300 today. $232. So when I got it, it was worth $22.
Should I put 80 grand in Crocs?
Into Crocs? No, I think the dick squeeze is gonna start.
That'd be truly legendary.
Campbell's is down.
Oh, nice. Game didn't load.
Yeah, Apparently I have an annual meeting. Who wants to go to Ann Arbor, Michigan? Fucking Domino's. Fuck that. Yeah, so I basically get dividend. I've been getting dividend checks for like 22 cents for the past 12 years. And I don't report it on my income.
Hold up, you don't report your shit on your income?
No, I asked the accountant and everything. It's like, yeah, you know, I get like 33 cents a quarter.